Hello, Chinese Tools here with 15 packs of Order of Chaos sneak peek pack openings. So yeah, let's get started. These are 10 packs. This is 5 packs. This is mine. This is the promo that it came with. So let's get started. Super Armor Blast. And what's this? Insector Hopper for super. Cool. Oh, what is this thing? Dark Blade, the Captain of Evil World.
Let's throw the pack behind you. Oh, there we go.
Oh!
What?
God. Disgusting.
Dang, bro. Guess sneak peek's not for you.
Oh my gosh.
Gaga Bolt
Yep. Last pack.
for you.
Gosh, let's see if there's something good. Oh my gosh. Oh,
Nice.
secret.
It's a secret.
Wind up Arsenal.
Arsenal. Good enough.
And what's this? Insector Dragonfly. A lot of Insector cards. I guess there's gonna be a good, bad,
I guess
So-
it's my turn.
Yep. It's his turn.
Wow.
How much is this worth?
10 packs. First pack.
Oh, that's pretty good. Awesome.
Cannot open.
Torbus.
A vault tile Casino.
Just turn it over and read it.
A Volso Solda.
Wow.
Wow,
I swear
man.
to mine already.
What are you talking about?
That's probably a $20 card.
Yo, it's a 6-star exceed, man. Not even makeable.
Wow, that's awesome already.
Reverse Buster.
Ooh.
ZW Unicorn Spear. Wow, man, who does that?
Throw it back at you.
Fourth pack, I guess. Dang, you pulled my secret.
Yo, watch you get a tour bus.
No,
You should have
there's no more secrets.
tour bus.
Evo Instant.
I told you.
Not as good as him. Dang.
What you get? Tour bus.
Last
You share that
pack.
price with me.
What's this?
Look, you got synchro.
Weights, Zenmeister, and Doc Diviner. What is this?
Let me see.
Second half of my sneak peek.
You got
Photon
Thrash.
Thrasher, and Armor Ninjutsu Art of Rust Mist.
Cool.
Decent, I guess. Where's my secret? Where's my ultis too?
Cool.
Not that cool to me.
Tour guide. Tour bus.
Nope. Royal Prison. I'm getting tons of ninja cards.
Let me open the last pack for you. Give you some luck.
No, I refuse. Oh, same thing again. A Voltite Casinario.
2 more packs left. Tour bus, tour bus.
2 packs left. Let's see. I feel like I want to open this one first. Whoa. Fusion. Koala. Wow. A Volt Instant. Dang. Last pack.
Tour bus.
Oh. I want a secret at least. At least a secret. Come at me. Oh, there's nothing in here. Photon Lizard. And I guess that's it.
Well, at least you got more houses.
I bought 5 more packs than you. Well, pretty decent, I guess. 2 supers, 1 ultra. Well, no. 3 supers, 1 ultra, and 1 secret from 15 packs.
What's this card again?
Yeah.
Wind Up Arsenal Zenmare.
And yeah, that's it. Please comment, rate, subscribe.